Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this part 4 video, we are learning how to enable the discount column. In several purchase and sales invoice transactions, we might get some kind of discount in percentage which we need to enter into Tally. So in this case, we need to enable the discounting features. It's not active by default, we have to enable it. So to enable the discount column, we have given the path in the Word document which says F11 and then going into inventory features, and you will see the option use separate discount column in invoice, which we have to put it as a yes. So let's start the steps in Tally. So we have to first press F11 into Tally and then go into inventory features. So let's open Tally and go into F11, then going into inventory features. F2 is a shortcut for inventory features. Then you have to find out the option use separate discount column in invoice and put it as a yes. So we mark it as a yes and we keep other option same as it is and we accept the screen. Now we have to enter the purchase and sales transactions one by one. So first is the purchase transactions. It was dated on the 1st of April. Then we go into accounting voucher to enter the purchase and press F9 for purchase. We change the date F2. We put the supplier invoice number given by our supplier. You select the party account, Shriji Chemist. Put the purchase account and then we select stock item. Select the godowns. In earlier video, we have learned how to maintain the godowns and enter the transaction. Then we put the quantity followed by the rate, and then we have purchase. So we enter the purchase which was given, purchase discount which was given by our vendor, which is 5%. So you see 5% has been deducted from the total amount. So this is how we should enter the discount which is given on the purchase invoice, or either when we are making the sales invoice, we should give the discount similar way to our customers. So watch the videos and follow the steps. Now we add the text portion SGST and CGST. So that's how we enter purchase invoice with discount. Now in similar fashion, we'll make one sales bill. So for sales, we press F8, we change the date by F2. We select the party account, our customer whom we are selling our goods. We select go down quantity and rate, and then we enter the discount percentage. Now we enter the second item. This discount percentage that we are entering, we can also print it on the sales invoice so our customers can know how much discount that we have offered them. For that, we have to understand the sales printing configurations in separate video. So this is how we maintain the discount in purchase and sales. So keep watching our other videos for different features. Thank you.